There's a lot of talk around what the difference is between machine-to-machine and Internet of Things. So effectively, machine-to-machine is the kind of the plumbing of Internet of Things. So it's how you shuttle bits and bytes around. You can kind of think of it in terms of that's the equivalent of the broadband, whereas the Internet of Things is the equivalent of sort of Facebook and Google, right? That's how you distinguish the two. When we think about M2M, we're thinking about very stovepiped applications. Okay, so you design the application, you build the device, you put all of this stuff together yourself. When you think about the Internet of Things, what you've got to do is mash up a whole load of sensor data with other forms of data, make it available to third-party application developers to build applications using a really sophisticated user interface, something that's pretty simple to use and you can pull together lots of different elements. And that's what ThingWorx does, and we think that's a critical part of the value proposition. In terms of the competition, we think ThingWorx are probably a little more sophisticated than just about anybody out there in the market. There are other alternatives, but what you'll tend to find is those are very much based on building it once and deploying it once, but it's not scalable. And the benefit that ThingWorx brings tend to be around scalability, the fact that it can be built once, deployed many times, pulling in lots of standardized elements and making use of those. So that's the real value add associated with ThingWorx, is that scalability. ThingWorx is powering the Internet of Things.